Hey guys, this is Scarpus95 here, and today I'll be showing you how I got one of the best Pokemon games ever made, Pokemon Crystal, now for the Nintendo 3DS, completely for free. Now, in order to do this, you have to have an Amazon Prime account. If you don't have one, I'll put links in the description on how you can get a 30-day free trial or even a 6 months free trial if you are a student. So with Amazon Prime, you can get something called No Rush Rewards, which is basically a little bit of monetary Amazon value that you can get if you choose a slightly slower shipping option as opposed to the Prime 1-day, 2-day, or same-day shipping options. Right now, and for the past half a year or so, the reward has been this $1 amount that you can use towards digital downloads on Amazon, and this can be redeemed towards music, movies, and also video games. And funny enough, you can actually get digital codes of Nintendo games using this no rush shipping credit. And these $1 amounts are accumulable, so if you do tend to buy stuff off Amazon, you can just split up the purchases, one per shipment option, to maximize your no rush shipping credits, and before you know it, you'll have enough, just $10 to buy Pokemon Crystal. If you think this tutorial is a little bit too fast for you, I did a whole dedicated tutorial on this particular method. I'll also link that in the description and also put it at the end of this video for you guys to watch on your own time. But basically that's what I did. I accumulated enough of these no rush shipping credits that I eventually got $10, just the right amount, to buy Pokemon Crystal. So here on the checkout screen, you notice that all of my no rush shipping credit is being used towards this purchase. And once you complete the order, you are able to immediately access the redemption code that you can input into your Nintendo 3DS. So here I am on my Nintendo 3DS in the eShop, and I'm going to go ahead and enter the redemption code for this downloadable game. Now, I know it's really silly to say, and I thought it would be really obvious, but don't try to use the same code I'm inputting right now on the screen, because obviously I already used it, therefore it cannot be used again for you or anybody else. This is just me showing you how I got Pokemon Crystal, and hopefully you can follow the exact same method that I did so you can get your own copy of Pokemon Crystal the same way. And now, just to prove that I do have a legitimate copy of Pokemon Crystal, this does not use some weird hacking method. This is completely legit, and I am paying Nintendo in effect for this game. So here I am opening it up, and I'll just show you a brief clip of the opening, sped up of course, because otherwise I'll get copyright issues. So there you go, that's living proof that now I got Pokemon Crystal completely for free for the Nintendo 3DS. So you guys can go ahead and try out this method to get whatever game you want. As you can see, I have gotten a few other games previously, including Pokemon Moon, using the exact same method. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Scarpus95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Scarpus95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Scarpus95. Thanks for watching.